unboxing Koko Kai's
Koko
pack.
pack.
Thanks to Simon Leong for sending this.
Done.
Come. Okay, let's see what's inside.
Wow.
Wow.
So cool.
Wow, this is like the
It's a
egg and cucumber.
yeah.
Egg and cucumber.
I love egg.
And then we have a packet of the chili and sauce.
Bleh.
And then we have some rice, I think.
Rice.
Rice, right? So we got one, we got two, count.
2 rice.
2, 3,
There we go.
4, 5. Alright, and then let's take out this one.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. Wait.
It's a McDonald's packet.
McDonald's packet. It's not McDonald's. It's my Koko Kai's packet.
Wait.
Alright, let me take it out.
Uh-oh.
Alright. Put the box
Alright.
away. And then we see what this is like. Ooh.
I think it's from Mom and K.
Huh?
From Mom and K.
No, it's not from Mom and K.
I think
Let me
it's
just
from...
take it. Ah! Alright, look at the chicken.
Wow.
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 Wow, it's a full chicken, man. Wow. So you get a full chicken. You've got a bag of soup and fish balls. You got 5 packets of rice.
I love rice.
And you love rice, and you got the chili and sauce, and you got the egg and cucumber. So this completes the set of the My Koko Kai. Thanks, Simon.
Thanks,